When simplifying an expression like this, the first thing we have to remind ourselves is because of the minus sign, we simply can't do division between the 2's and the top and bottom line, or the 4 and 8 on the top and bottom line. What we need to do is look to factorise this expression first of all, before we do any actual simplification. And we'll start by creating a common base for these values if we possibly can. And we know that 8 and 4 have a common base of 2, so we need to express those as powers of 2. 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power 3, and 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power 2. 5 is the best we can do for now. So let's have a look at the next line. What happens is we've rearranged the 8 to be 2 cubed, we've rearranged the 4 to be 2 squared, and we've taken the first expression there in orange, 2 to the power x plus 1, and split it up using the index laws that says when you're multiplying with a common base, you can add the indices. So we've re-expressed 2 to the power x plus 1 as 2 to the x and 2 to the 1. In the next line, what we'll do is we'll take the powers which are outside of a bracket, and as the index law says, we can multiply those powers together. So 2 to the 3 with an x outside the bracket becomes 2 to the 3x, and likewise in the bottom line we get 2 to the 2x. Ultimately what we're looking to do is factorise out some expression so we can do some simplification, and it appears as though if we can get a common base of 2, that might be the best way to go. So to help us on our way, what we'll do is we'll split 2 to the 3x using an index law which says when you have a common base you can add indices. So 2 to the 3x becomes 2 to the x and 2 to the 2x, and 2 to the 2x becomes 2 to the x and 2 to the x being multiplied together. We can now see that the term 2 to the x is common throughout every part of the expression, and we'll look to factorise that in the next line. So 2 to the power x is taken out of the top expression, and we're left with 2 minus 2 to the 2x, and 2 to the x is taken out of the denominator as well, and we're left with 2 to the x outside of 5 minus 2 to the x. And now we can do some further simplification. 2 to the x is common on both the top and the bottom line, and we can now divide. And we're left with the simplest expression, which is 2 minus 2 to the 2x and 5 minus 2 to the x.